This morning I want to show you the DECO FLEX variable speed scroll saw. It comes with a 90 watt motor. The variable speed is between 550 meters and 1650 meters a minute. The machine comes with a light, hold down clamp, and the facility for using the machine with or without pin blades. Another great feature with the machine is you can tilt the bed. Just release the lock lever. Here we have the scale and the indicator. Straight back to 0 and lock. Okay, another great feature with the DECO FLEX is the flexi drive. This is included with the machine and it's a great advantage where you can put other attachments into it to drill, grind and sand. Okay, so the DECO FLEX is variable speed from 550 meters a minute to 1650 meters a minute. To do this, start the machine on the lowest speed and you can increase to its maximum speed. One other really good feature of this machine, you will notice in all the operations we weren't even fastened and there's minimal vibration.